Namaste, thank you so much indeed for watching. My name is Chef Amit Kaur and today we are going to discuss and talk about which one of my friend has asked the question. Let me introduce you myself if you don't know about myself. My name is Amit Kaur, I am a family consultant, I live in India and I am the first chef in India who also know Google algorithm, software programming and Khana Banana. I work for 17 years for hotel, resorts and restaurant in India and out of India, and presently I am doing F&B consulting, marketing, advising services to hotel, resorts and restaurant. And today one of my friend has asked a question, so I came to this platform to share you the answer. So the question has been asked by one of the gentlemen and he asked how to promote F&B after COVID-19. Okay, so I think it is not his question. I think this question belongs to most of the people who are into F&B industry. How to promote F&B after COVID-19. What to do? Because revenue has recently gone dropped. दिमाग में कुछ सूझ नहीं रहा है. No idea is coming and every idea is going to seems to be failed or not workable. So first of all, I would like to present you my opinion and my suggestions to all those who are looking and exploring online some best hotel, resort, restaurant marketing ideas after COVID-19. What will be the greatest strategy for F&B consulting services? So the first thing, I am assuming you are a well, beautiful, good restaurant in your city. Number one. Second thing is, I am assuming after COVID-19 you have recently reopened your F&B and you have short of staff. The third thing, I am assuming no business or less business. So how to change it, right? Okay. So my suggestion is, the first thing is use internet, online broadcasting system. There is a website. Do you know about this website? The website name is hotelvideos.in. You can go to this website and just make some outstanding, fantastic video about your food and published using online broadcasting system. This is the greatest medium. Trust me, if anyone going to help you in this situation is only the internet. Trust me, none of the consultant going to help you, because most of the consultant, if you meet him, they will tell, reduce your menu. You got my point. So that is also a good idea and strategy to reducing the menu and cut down the inventory. That's okay, but I'm sure you already did that. Again, if you want customers, you need to reach to the customers, and to reaching the customers, use this internet. Use this internet as a communication tool, not for the marketing. Again, I'm saying, if you use internet as a communication tool, you will increase your revenue. But if you use internet as a marketing tool, you will waste your time for digital marketer or yourself also. So the first thing is that make offers, promotions, videos from your own phone. Let it be very natural. Don't do any drama. Don't do any, like for an example, this is special punchline for all those 5-star luxury hotels in the world who are infrastructure 5-star and operational 3-star. So just leave your drama aside. Just make real videos about your services, about your food, about your buffet, and introduce yourself like you. Introduce you. If you are a manager, come in front of the camera, make small video and tell to the world, come tonight, I'm going to make you delighted with excellent food. Something like that. And if you contact me directly, I'm going to give you offers, promotions and discounts. Something like that. Make small videos using online broadcasting system and internet, and trust me, when you do it regularly for 30 days, you will find everywhere you. When everywhere is you, it means whenever somebody is searching for the same opportunity on the search engine or on the YouTube or on the social media, you will come. You got my point? And now you must be thinking how a chef telling about software programming and Google search engine. So I would like to educate you from last 17 years. Software programming and Google search engine is my hobby, and professionally I am a chef consultant. So I use both the tactics to make my project successful. So if I can able to help you and you think that we can talk, my phone numbers, everything detail you will find down. You can contact me and we can talk. Thank you very much indeed. I'm sure you got the answer. If still you have something to ask to me, please contact me. I love to talk to you. You can contact me immediately or on my WhatsApp number. Namaste. Thank you.